For all the times that you rain on my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up. And baby, I've been moving on, and I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. But now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, then baby you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. When you told me that you hated my friends, the only problem was with you and not them. And every time you told me my opinion was wrong, try to make me forget where I came from. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up. And baby, I've been moving on, and I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kev. Sana happy ka. And ayun naman na ngayon happy ka kasi napapanood ko mga videos ng mga nag-greet sa'yo. Yun ay dahil sa efforts ng mga office mates mo, lalong-lalo na kay Mo. So, thank you Mo sa lahat ng efforts and for being so supportive as a friend to Dutch. And I know na lahat ng mga wishes at dreams mo ay gusto mo maabot. Just pray and keep on reaching for them. Konting tiyaga na lang at sipag. New Year's resolution mo or your birthday wish. My birthday wish for you is sana parati ka na pumasok ng maaga para hindi ka na-late sa office. So, happy birthday! We love you!
Hi Dutch! Happy birthday! I hope you enjoy your natal day. Again, happy birthday!
Hi Dutch! Happy birthday! Actually, ang sasabihin ko kasi hindi ako sanay sa ganito. Pero I'm happy na nandito kayo sa FIS. And, well, gusto ko lang sabihin na magaling ka naman. Huwag ka nang matulog. So, ayun. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Hey Dutch, just wanted to greet you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Dutch! Sabi ni mo ba yung Linda sabihin ko that hopefully ngayong birthday mo. Anyway, kidding aside, we may not see each other as often as before because of our conflict schedules. Just always remember we're just a text away. Kaya naman kasama ko ng movies kahit sa mga meron ka and kapag may gusto ko ayun, happy birthday ulit. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Dutch, I'm so glad to have you in Voices floor. I feel that you're our compare, and although you're a man of few words, I consider that as your strength. And I consider you also as a silent killer. You have so many potentials, and you're sharing it to us. And I'm very sorry for your Santa Claus. It was kidnapped by God knows who. And all I wish for your birthday is continued success, happiness, more wealth, and I really hope the best for you. And hope to know you more, and hope to spend more time with you in Voices. Happy birthday, God bless!
Happy birthday, Dutch.
medyo misteryoso ka, pero happy ako na naging close tayo kahit konti. Happy birthday ulit, Dutch!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Sana mag-asawa ka na. Pero hindi, mag-work ka muna para marami kang pera at makapag-travel ka pa kung saan-saan. How old are you na?
Give me a husky.
Birthday!
Give me a husky.
From
Paisley!
California.
Bye.
Bye!
Happy birthday, FPJ!
Dutch, happy birthday, Parts. Wish ko sa'yo, maging masaya ka, lalo na ngayong birthday mo. Tapos, good health, syempre. Kita-kits na lang, pre. All the best.
Happy birthday, Dutch! Gago.
Hi Dutch! Happy birthday! Stay fit and healthy. God bless you.
Kung naalala mo, ako yung kainuman yun nun bago kayo pumunta na Singapore. I wish you all the best. I pray na God will give you all the desires of your heart. And na magtagumpay ka sa mga future plans mo sa buhay. Yun lang masabi ko. Sorry, kakagising ko lang. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. I prayed for you and your family.
Hey, Jazz, sweetheart.
It's a guy. See you outside.
Happy birthday, Dutch!
Hi, Dutch. Happy birthday.
Hindi talaga kilala si Dutch. Pero happy birthday.
Hello! Hi Dutch! Happy birthday!
Hi,
Bye-bye!
Dutch! Happy birthday!
Hello there, Dutch. Happy birthday. I wish you more birthday to come and enjoy your special day. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Hey, Dutch, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Have a great mindset lang sa lahat ng mga gagawin mo. And mararating mo rin yung gusto mo natin. And yun. God bless. Bati tayo minsan.
Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in the world at sana pahalagahan mo yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Ano naman na you're such a good boy. Keep it up at saka good luck sa karera mo sa buhay. Be happy and always. God bless you. Happy birthday, Dutch!
Happy birthday, Dutch!
Hi, Dutch! Happy birthday! See ya! God bless you!
Birthday, I wish you all the best, my Mr. Sumit. Sana ma-reach mo lahat ng goals mo and thank you so much for showing me the sweet side of you. More blessings to come and more adventures to come. I hope that you live a happy life. Thank you, Mr. Sumit. Bye-bye.
Hi, Dutch. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Again, more blessings to come. Mas kita tayo sa summer dito na lang ulit sa
Swimming ulit.
swimming. Bye.
Bye-bye.
God loves you.
Hi, Dutch. Happy birthday. Ayun, si Mo kasi 1 week na siya nag-insist sa akin gagawa daw ng video kasi gumagawa siya ng video na i-file niya, yung 25 na videos pa yun. So, ngayon ako nakapagawa ng video. Sorry Mo ha. Actually, galing ako kay Lasay. Birthday nga ni Saleh. Ayun, hindi ka nakapunta. Pero anyways, okay lang naman. Then, yun, ang init. Tapos matutulog pa lang ako. Medyo puyat. Galing sa inuman, alam mo na. And then, actually, kagagaling ko lang yung sasakad. Medyo asking yung boses ko. Anyways, ayun. I just wanna greet you a happy birthday again. More beer days to come. And opportunity career, andyan lang yan. Tiyaga lang palagi. Then, pray lang palagi. Di ka pabayaan ni God. I know that kasi bait pa namang tao. And ayun, very humble, supportive, and ma-appreciate na tao. Kahit konting bagay, maganda rin ma-appreciate. Ayun, then, always listen lang sa mga decision mo na kung anong buti sa'yo. And then, yung mga struggles mo or family problem, maayos pa rin yun. And kung yun nga, kung gusto mo maayos, ayun. Then, again, pumatuloy mo lang ganyang attitude mo. And even though na dati sabi nila parang supladong daw kasi tahimik ka sa wave natin, then sabi nga nila parang amboy ka daw, pero iba pala. So ayun, first impression lang naman namin sa'yo, pero ayun, mabait ka, ayun, ma-appreciate, then okay ka namang kaibigan, ayun. So and I believe na marami ka namang kaibigan pa darating, mga taong sa paligid mo, mahal ka, family mo, ganon. So, and God will bless you. Okay? So, ayun lang. Again, happy birthday and thank you ulit sa pag-invite me sa paggawa ng video na to mo. Tsaka sa iyo ng Dutch. Okay? Bye!
Hi Dutch, happy 25th birthday. I hope matupad mo lahat ng goals mo in life. Kasi sobrang positive kang tao, just like what you said. So, yun. All the best. Happy birthday.
Surprise kita, no? Ate Ellen here from Singapore. Hope you still remember me. Happy birthday to you, Dutch. I hope all your wishes come true. Enjoy, have fun, and can you imagine when this race is
Bro, happy birthday! More wisdom and more knowledge to come. Kung may time ka dumaan dito sa house, meron akong 1 extra pet na additional sa collection mo. So, more birthdays, bro! Basta daan ka dito kapag kaya mo, ah.
Tanatan namin na mag-girlfriend ka na. Tsaka, I'm praying for long life. And sana matupad na yung mga dreams mo. Nakikita tali-talino mo, pero hinihingi lang ha. Sana mag-pray ka naman. Huwag yung kung ano pinagagawa mo kasama ng mga kadiri mong pets, okay? Yun ang thankful ako kasi nakita ka na mga mabait na friends na magtsatsaga sa'yo. Kahit yung sumasama. Yun lang. So, happy birthday and have a blessed year again. Natong ka na ba? 25, 26, 25 na. 25 years old ka na. Mag-girlfriend ka na para di mo lagi kinukulit ng mga sini. Basta huwag ka manunulot ng jowa, okay? Please requested nila to. Sorry, ang dami ko alam sa'yo. Okay, sige, bye-bye na. Happy birthday and I love you guys.
Dutch, happy birthday! Miss ka na namin! Sana makapagbanding ulit tayo. More birthdays to come. And stay pogi and stay macho.
More birthdays to come, bro.
Bye-bye!
Dutch, happy birthday. Wish ko para sa'yo, good health, more blessings to come, and God bless. Sana sa birthday mo maging masaya ka at maging masaya ulit. Yung regalo ko sa'yo, Dutch, sasabihin ko na. Si Shelly, babalutin ko pa ba o kukunin mo na lang? Basta, pag kukunin mo na, kukontakin ko lang, ibibigay ko agad sa'yo. And dahil birthday mo ngayon, eto ka. Dutch, happy birthday.
On behalf of your former engagement team, EDSA and Fairview, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. So today is your special and hoping that you're enjoying your day. Please be reminded that your age is only a number added to your brilliant life. So stay focused. I know that you can make your dreams come true. And just be happy, and we're here for you. We miss you a lot. Happy birthday.
Surprise! Happy birthday sa isa sa pinakamadaldal kong ka-Team Sharky nung high school. Duching, happy birthday! I wish you all the best. And sana masaya ka lagi. Lalong-lalo na yung puso ko. Happy birthday! I miss you! See you soonest!
Dutch, happy birthday. I wish you all the luck
At sana maging happy sa birthday mo. Blow out. Kaya tayo magkikita. See ya. Happy birthday.
Hello Dats, si Rinel to ng Pinoy Travel Channel. Mula dito sa Fortuna Bay, pinabati kita ng happy birthday. Yeah! Ingat ka!
Mic check 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just want to say happy birthday, Dutch, and yeah, you have more birthdays and blessings to come. And yeah, I haven't even chance to know you more, man. So yeah, what else? Stay nice, stay cool, and stay humble. And yeah, greetings from Germany. So I want to greet you, Dutch, in German. Ja, ich hoffe dir alles Gute zum Geburtstag und ich wünsche dir alles gut und viel Gesundheit zu kommen und ja, das ist alles. Ibig sabihin lang ng Dutch, happy birthday, many birthdays to come and good health. God bless you. Boy,
Hi Dutch! Happy birthday! Kamusta na ang buhay natin dyan? Gala-gala pa rin ba? Ayun, super effort ng mga friends mo, kaya ito, video lang pag may time. Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. Sana pagpatuloy mo yung pag-recycle mo ng mga papers dyan. Malay mo, marami kang makuha dyan sa office niya. Joke lang. Anyway, always remember, go for 10! Happy birthday!
Oi, Dutch. I just wanted to inform you that you are so blessed. You know why? Because you have an abundance of people who truly love you. And what else? Just continue to inspire other people. Like what I mentioned to you before, I'm one of your fans. Because of your talent when it comes to art. You are such a great artist. And I also see you how you push yourself to promote your advocacy for forest preservation and to alleviate animal cruelty. Just keep it up, and I know that you have come a long way. You always need to be positive all the time. I know that sometimes that life is really harsh, but you just need to apply what Martin Luther said, that if you cannot fly, then you need to run. Then if you can't run, then you need to walk. Then if you cannot walk, then crawl. But the most important thing is you just need to keep moving forward. And I know that you have a lot of dreams that you really want to achieve, but don't worry, because we're always here for you no matter what happens. That's it. Take care and God bless you. Happy birthday.